Yeah, deal it, man. What? There, man. Interview settings.
Man.
I'm at things.
Come on. Rasta mentality. Cleverly. Oh, me?
Oh, me? No, sir.
Come on.
Hypetype, me there, man. Live and live in color. You see me?
Hypetype there with Jamaican next door.
Me fight fire with fire. Me fight Obia with prayer. Me fight fire with fire. Me fight Obia with prayer. Me fight fire with fire. Me fight Obia with prayer. Them woulda love to see me go down in a black hole. Them want me dead, me nah go down in a that hole. Skip out bad mind, skip out every patrol. As a girl is, you will find me nah fat hole. Them no remember when me usually sponsor them. Say them a big ship, me ready fi go anchor them. Prior me use and conquer them. Enemy I know me friend, me no pamper them. Me fight fire with fire. Me fight Obia with prayer. Me fight fire with fire. Me fight Obia with prayer. Me fight fire with fire. Me fight Obia with prayer. Me fight fire with fire. Me fight Obia with prayer. Man have to elevate, man have to step up there. Enough youth get a chance, get set up, yeah. Can't believe said it don't get wet up yet. Enough man no like see a man step up there. Full time we stop fight with one another. Me I do this for help out me brother. Remember the old house me and me mother. Enough ghetto used to have no father. Me fight fire with fire. Me fight Obia with prayer. Me fight fire with fire. Me fight Obia with prayer. Me fight fire with fire. Me fight Obia with prayer. Me fight fire with fire. Me fight Obia with prayer. Them woulda love to see me go down in a black hole. Them want me dead, me nah go down in a that hole. Skip out bad mind, skip out every patrol. As a girl is, you will find me nah fat hole. Them no remember when me usually sponsor them. Say them a big ship, me ready fi go anchor them. Prior me use and conquer them. Enemy I know me friend, me no pamper them. Me fight fire with fire. Me fight Obia with prayer. Me fight fire with fire. Me fight Obia with prayer. Me fight fire with fire. Me fight Obia with prayer. Me fight fire with fire. Me fight Obia with prayer.
Them can't go stop we. Thugs him alone. Quest production. Oh me? No sir. Cleverly.
Yeah. Alright, so we're live right now.
Come on. Rasta mentality.
Well, it was from a tender age. We always hang out in a place called Bronx in Manchester. And you know, by the image and the look, we always do concerts and all of them things. So we are type of youth, we always just full of ourselves. And from them see the image, they must say, you're hyping. But before we get the name Hypetype, we used the name Caution. And it never really connect. And my friend him just say, yo, Hypetype. And take off from this.
Come on. Rasta mentality.
That even worse. Yeah. That is a part of the industry, because image is everything. And you feel like yourself when you're clean and nice. Right. You know what I mean? So, that's Jamaican culture.
Alright. Cleverly. Oh, me and them.
Well, I was born in Jubilee Hospital in Kingston. And my parents come from 9 Mile Bull Bay, a little place called Bobo Hill. Right? And I leave from Bobo Hill and I go in Manchester, Mandeville, a little place called Royal Flat. But before you say that, I'm just here mourning for my mom, Empress Nama. Lose my mom in 2 weeks now. She come from 9 Mile Bull Bay, and that's where I was born.
Now go far. Hey granny said, show me your company. I'm a tell.
Well, what keep me motivated is the good music, and the lifestyle we may live. Because I just do righteousness for meditation and a clean heart. And music keep me motivated every day.
Who you are? Enough boy, we are rolling out the link. No one.
As human flesh, every human flesh make mistake. But when I reach certain age in a life, that's when I have to consider and say no more mistake. You can make mistake, yes, but right now I don't feel I would make any more mistakes.
You reach far. And I know how them are gonna stop this boy.
Well, as I tell them, I grew up in a place called Royal Flat in Manchester with grandparents. And the struggle we face, we walk till we foot them burn it. We go to the farm, we go plant the ground, we have to leave from the ground to go catch the 12 o'clock bus to go to school, Belfield School. And as we growing up in our neighborhood, we never lazy. So it's a hard tussle. Never sufferation, but we have to go out there as a man. And hustler, struggle.
From ton of star, you better know who you are.
Well, the youths of this generation, if you say you control them, you can't control them. Because they're hard to control. It's just like when we are grow. What them do now, we used to do it. But we never used to kill each other. You know what I mean? A man have a girl that we want to get to her, but we never fight and we never kill each other. We want to cook pot every day. If we see we friend have our shoes, we are going to want it up.
That's true.
If we friend go on a fire, we are struggling, we are hustle just to reach a fire like. But nowadays, you them hard for control. In every crevice and every corner. But the one them where you motivate, those are the ones if you look out for because they have sense.
Oh boy, they go with the Rasta mentality. Now sell me soul.
Well, aside from music, as artists, when me I grew up as a youth in my community, anybody can tell them. Bounty killer, me say. Them did have some bounty vest where me have to go to Kingston where we get a little bounty vest. When I saw in Black Hawk I come a fresh first land, me have to do it with the whole of me touch and the whole of me tube. We used to name Scare Them too. So that's my big influence in the music, bounty killer.
Me sanity, me no par with boy when I have no unity. Big up the real youths, them in a.
I would describe my style one of a kind. Ain't nobody else with this style. Is the style I have is just unique. And when people hear it, they like it. But now I plant it, I just want it to explode.
The community, how you feel up and you no love humanity. No bad mind on it.
By the image, like somebody don't know me, me now run up in them to know me. But when them see me, them must say, wait, I must have artist that. And when I tough up our face and when I bend up, we just pleasant. If we say good morning or good evening, we must get a response.
Next man, me and them now go far. Hey granny said, show me your company.
But you have two artists, one pass and gone, may his soul rest in peace. His name Tony Dutchy and one name Spengbeck. When I look at you and I see you up on stage, it just reminds me of how Elephant Man work. And from this up, I always tell myself, say, yo, I want to go jump up on stage like them too. You know what I mean? And from this up, I just do my thing. Just do my thing, concert, whole heap of stage show, comfort, playground artists, I just me did it. I go and knock it, you see me? Until the thing just grow. But I just want it to spread right now.
I'ma tell you who you are. Enough boy, we are rolling out the link. No one you reach far.
When you plant the seed, it have to grow. So, me would have said, just do your thing, make it grow. And when you plant the seed, just nurture it and make it grow good. Because you have other artists out there where you would want to rub shoulder with. But when them see how you plant a seed, them are distant themselves. So as a man who are coming out of the business, sometimes you have to plant a seed where they half grow and they grow fully. But you have to just control the speed or the space.
You know how them a go stop this a boy from turn a star. You better know who you are.
Well, if you're versatile, you know, you can do everything, you know. Because from the music, we just knock everything, but know what we are saying when we are saying the music. But our style of music in Jamaica, we do a lot of crossover. And a lot of artists just come from one level and just stay there and you hear nothing more about him. So it's better when you mix up the thing, you know what I mean? Flavor.
Me no kill people, me no par with killer. Me no rob people, me no par with thief. No boss, me no love with me.
But when you spread your wings and fly, you meet different people, different faces. But you know Jamaica the root for the music, that are the culture. So, but that's the start from Jamaica and come up and spread.
The way how me roll them want get me out. Money fi make, mountain fi climb, but you can't reach far without a positive mind. Like a penny ton a nickel and a nickel.
Well, all me have to tell the world, I'm mainly Jamaica where my place. Stop the violence, stop the crime, and we fight fire with fire. And we are not negative people now apart. Stop the killing, stop the violence, stop the crime.
Yeah, I can definitely respect that.
Gonna dine, every ghetto youth stay upon me and them not go far. No sir. Hey granny said show me.
I have a style and I say cleverly. And they must say yes. So my style is unique, my style different, but just want the world fit. It's a Hypetype.
So I feel like it's important to be unique and have like your separate thing we say that a Hypetype.
Yes man.
Yeah.
It is very important to have your own style. Oh me? No sir. Your own style, when you're original, they love you more. No carbon copy.
Right.
Copy.
Definitely.
No company, I'ma tell you who you are. No boy, we are rolling out the link. No why you read.
There's a lot to say to the world and the friends and the family and all who know Hypetype from near and far. And I have to say big up some great friends in Bermuda. Because when I leave Jamaica, I went to Bermuda. And Bermuda is where my career started to spread. So I couldn't do this interview and don't involve Bermuda. Bermuda is a small place. And my place. Bermuda is a small place. If you're not dancing, man, step on your lace. Don't bother argue, quarrel, or chase. Don't bother go on like thump in her face. Oh, me? No, sir. Come on.
Sir.
Pick up the real youths, them in the community. How you feel up and you no love humanity. No bad mind and next man. Me and them now go far. Hey granny said show me your company. I'ma tell you who you are. No boy we are